still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. April 7 is celebrated as the World Health Day across the world. In the year 1948, a first World Health Assembly was organized by World Health Organization, which decided that April 7 was to be marked as World Health Day. The purpose of celebrating World Health Day is to raise and build awareness about the importance of health and well-being among the people as much as possible. The theme of World Health Day 2021 is Building a Fairer and Healthier World. COVID-19 has impacted the world badly. Illness and death from COVID-19 have been higher among groups who face discrimination, poverty, social exclusion, and adverse daily living and working conditions. Due to COVID pandemic, 121 million more people became extreme poor last year. This pandemic also widened the gender gaps in employment, with women exiting the labor force in greater numbers than men over the last 12 months. Inequalities in people's living condition, health services, access to money, power, resources are long-standing. The life expectancy of people from low-income countries is less than the life expectancy of people in high-income countries. Accelerate equitable access to COVID-19 technologies. Safe and effective vaccines have been developed. The challenge now is to ensure that they are available to everyone who needs them. But vaccines alone will not overcome COVID-19. Commodities such as medical oxygen, personal protective equipment, as well as reliable diagnostic test kits and medicines are also important. Invest in primary health care. At least half of the world's population still lacks access to essential health services. Governments should spend an additional 1% of GDP on primary health care. Prioritize health and social protection. The socio-economic impact of COVID-19 is loss of jobs, increased poverty, disrupted education, and threatened nutrition. It's needed to expand social protection schemes to overcome this negative impact on society. Build safe, healthy, and inclusive neighborhood. It will be important to intensify efforts to reach rural communities with health and other basic social services, including water and sanitation.